India is blessed with a very long coastline of 7516.6 km. It begins from the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat and ends at West Bengal. Starting from Gulf of Kutch in the Gujarat, it moves southward along the border of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and touches the southernmost tip of Indian mainland, Kanyakumari. This part lies in the western part of Indian coastline, thus it is known as Western Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plains lies along the Arabian Sea. The Western Coastal Plains starts in Gujarat and ends in Kanyakumari and lies between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The Western Coastal Plains can be further divided into three parts. First is Gujarat Coast. The Gujarat coast lies in the northern part of Western Coastal Plains and starts from Gulf of Kutch and ends at Gulf of Khambat. Next division is Konkan Coast. The Konkan coast starts from Gulf of Khambat and ends at Goa and lies in the middle part. This region is rich in oil deposit and it is very rocky and uneven. Mumbai is the India's biggest port and lies in the Konkan coast. Next division is Malabar Coast. It lies in the southern part of the Western Coastal Plains and starts from Goa and ends at Kanyakumari. This region also contains small and shallow saltwater lakes which are beautiful and known as lagoons. From Kanyakumari, the coast moves northward and reaches up to the West Bengal. This part of the coastline is along the Bay of Bengal. This region lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal, and the land in this region is plain. Thus, this region is known as Eastern Coastal Plains. The total length of this coastline is 6,900 km. Such a long coastline is very useful for our country. Thus, fishing is an important occupation of the people living on the coast. Many seaports have been developed along the coast. The Eastern Coastal Plains passes through the states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. The Eastern Coastal Plains is wider than the Western Coastal Plains. The southern part of Eastern Coastal Plains is known as Coromandel Coast and the northern part of Eastern Coastal Plains is known as Northern Sarkars. Many rivers like Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi form their delta along the Eastern Coastal Plains. These deltas are very fertile and called as rice bowl of India. The Kolkata Seaport, the Chennai Seaport, the Paradweep Seaport and the Visakhapatnam Seaport are the important seaports in the Eastern Coastal Plains. The Paradweep Seaport is the largest seaport in the Eastern Coastal Plains.